Shensia pulled from Mariah Carey's album. The Grammy-winning American R&B artist has removed the Grammy-nominated artists Shenseea and Alkaline from the track Sugar Sweet on the physical edition of her Here For It All album.
Averages and fame, tell attention seeker. Only thing some pussy up, social media. Generation legend, car we great.
See, when you're ungrateful, you can't be great. Only grateful people can be great. No ungrateful girl and boy can't have great.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Generation legend, car we great.
You're ungrateful.
Yeah, man, I mean bring trap, boy.
Yeah, easily.
Trap.
Are you make beer and start with a pullover?
We never name it. We just trap. Because I rap music, me listen, you know.
Yeah. Oh, he's a big rap fan.
Yeah, I rap music, I'm one of my biggest.
But them not like the I don't have credit. Anything when me do, let's start about it. Them edit. Let's start about it. Anything when me do, them not like the I don't have credit. Seeing? How we create this shit. This whole trap dancehall thing, how we create that because everybody knows I don't have been the rapper.
Right.
Like my flow, rap music, fuse with dancehall music and reggae. That's why my flow been different.
Enough artists, me see I come out now I take credit for trap dancehall music, but you know, member say this is the same trap dancehall beat or sound. Uno kill out this artist for when uno say he might use auto-tune. Uno forgot say Munga Honorable is the first artist we come out and do trap dancehall with him flipping rhymes.
Who's the main Jamaican artist?
Oh, man.
Of all time.
Oh, man. So much big artists.
So many legends. That's what
right now, I have to say big up Busy Signal. He's one that right now that's really dope. I think a lot of people overlook that.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando and I building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. Blessed Sunday. Hope you all are doing wonderful wherever you are in our world. You know, in our evening, in the Sunday evening, we give God thanks for the grace of life. But viewers and subscribers, me have some topics I want to share with Uno today, this evening, as it pertains to dancehall. I saw, as you see in my thumbnail, in the clippings, at the start of this vlog, I saw a video with Munga saying that he was the one who created this trap dancehall. And you guys remember, Idonia made mention of that also in an interview on the Fix podcast, and he was saying that he was the one also who created that thing. But that seemed controversial to me. I don't know how I want this, but I want to share it to you so you can make me know what you think in the comment section. Who you really think invent the trap dancer? So we have that, and also I saw a video with Spice promoting a new single. I mean, I say, oh, them singles sounds from Spice. I don't know what Spice I get them singles yet, but Jano viewers, I want to hear it and want to tell me one thing. I don't know, it kind of sound like African type of music-ish, but also it kind of sound amateur type. I don't know, I not feel it, but you make me know what you think in the comment section. But also, me have another video with Munga. Head top, him locks a drop off. Me don't know how I go on this. So Munga a 40-year-old and him head top, him locks a drop off. Me hear all some vlogger, some content creator on TikTok a talk about it. So me have that for sure for Uno. And also viewers and subscribers, I have a video with Vybz Kartel voicing over Bounty Killer voice on a recent interview where Bounty Killer did with Academics. And he was saying that if a boy and girl can't be grateful, them can't be great, them ungrateful. So he's saying that if the artists them in a dancehall space no show gratitude and grateful and be grateful for the artists them were there before them can't be great. So that video where Bounty Killer was saying that he was taking shots at Alkaline in that video. So that whole part of the video was about Alkaline. So is it that Vybz Kartel had shared Alkaline? Because you know recently Vybz Kartel and Skillibeng did a song called New Gear, a remix, and you know Vybz Kartel and Skillibeng, they must say some things in a song. And you know it can be in comparison to the song where Intense and Alkaline did the other day, and you know people are going to put comparison between the two songs because you have Alkaline and Intense pan a song, and then you have Skillibeng and Vybz Kartel pan a song. I want to know how that history they go with Intense and Skillibeng and Vybz Kartel and Intense. So we want to get into that because something look suspicious, you know, something or something, but we want to get into that, viewers and subscribers. So before we jump into the vlog, viewers and subscribers, I want you guys to make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell button so whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, viewers and subscribers, we could just jump right into the vlog now. So before we get into the real detail of this vlog, I came across this video with this young lady, this intelligent young lady, and she was doing a stand-up poem, or way they call it, poetry. And boy, viewers and subscribers, I was so impressed by it. The little girl looked like she around 5 or 6 years old, and she had do so wonderful on stage in front of a lot of people. Someone play it for you, so you tell me what you think in the comment section. What you think about this, cause man, this is so wonderful to see the young folks them, the young lady them, the young youths them. I do great. Watch this.
Yeah, come from. Oh my second twang, but me the Jamaican doing you no wrong. You pick me them a riot over injustice. Them a shoot and a loot and a broke down them roots. And who you should have pine finger pan? None other than me, the Jamaican. But it is the culture of the Jamaicans. Listen to the music. Who else could it be to cause such riots out in our streets? Such vulgarity, disrupting our society. Step aside and is a foreign man. Our music that put we on the map. Automatic, and you choose that the one. We set up people below our music and religion, from ska to reggae to pop media. For this very reason, me proud to be a Jamaican. So no pipe, no finger pan me. No send no musical, no disruption. All the same, the more things change and the more them run me on. For everything we go on foreign, yeah, they can bone, forget the blame.
Yo, the parents who raised that little girl here, Jano, them a do a great job. And me commend them for raising such a wonderful young lady, so polite, so intelligent. The way how she attack viewers and subscribers, a goosebump catch my body. But she's saying that we are our own problem. We Jamaicans, and we are cast the bag of looting and shooting in our own community and in our own country. We are to be blamed. And yeah, viewers and subscribers, she is definitely right. And she attack about a thing, but viewers and subscribers, who make me know what you think in our comment section. Share your thoughts of what she's saying. So I came across this video with Munga saying that he was the one who created this trap dancehall movement. And I could have swear, I remember when I done the Depa interview with the Fix, and he was also saying that he was the one who bring forth or introduce dancehall to this old trap dancehall sound. But viewers and subscribers, who remember back in the days when Munga and Idona was going at it lyrical battle or a local lyrical feud, but it never went far. But you know, Munga did have a song where him say, when me bust my gun, them ship sink. And Idona was in big ship and Idona sing a song on different big ship. But viewers and subscribers, me have them two videos, I want to play it for you, so you can dissect it and make me know what you think about who created the trap dancehall movement. Watch this, viewers and subscribers. Listen what Munga have to say, and then me gonna play Idonia's part.
Sound that was a different. No, I would say you introduced that. Yeah, man, I mean bring trap, boy. Yeah, easily. Trap. And you make name and start where pull over. We never name it. We just trap. Cause what rap music me listen, you know. Yeah. Oh, he's a big rap fan. Yeah, rap music is one of my biggest influences. Right. R&B, which that influenced the harmonic, melodious part of my writing. Right. You see me? I don't know. One Peter Tosh. Hardcore. Yeah.
Where uno think, viewers and subscribers, share on the thoughts in the comment section and let me know where uno think. Uno think a Munga created the dancehall trap sound or Idonia, but me I go play the Idonia's part because me don't know, all of a sudden the space of dancehall, every artist now I say I them bring this and I them bring that and I who invent this and who invent that. But me tell them this, nothing is new under the sun, you know. But you know, viewers and subscribers, the artists them want credit for certain things where them say them bring in a dancehall. Make me know what you think if you think Munga bring the trap sound, but listen to what Idonia did have to say pan the fix interview. Watch this.
But them not like the Idonia credit. Anything when me do, let's start about it. Them edit. Let's start about it. Anything when me do, them not like the Idonia credit. Seeing? And we create this shit. This whole trap dancehall thing. And we create that because everybody knows Idonia been the rapper.
Right.
Like my flow of rap music, fuse with dancehall music and reggae. That's why my flow been different. From my forward, it's different. They must say, oh, them sounds are different, you see me? It's similar to a cartel thing, but it's different, you know, because you don't know Ray. You know? So,
Diddy,
you know, say,
I know this.
Yeah.
We know this. Devil's advocate.
Yeah.
People would have it for say, true, fair, and fine, but you never claim it and you never really push it forward like certain other man say, like a Rygin.
That's why I got, you know, make me finish. So, we created this shit, this trap thing, and like you did an interview with Jades.
Years ago.
And that was like maybe 2016 or 2017.
Yeah. One of the pioneers behind
of
them
trap hall.
Yes.
At the time, you know.
They had a whole album named.
All right. So we created the whole thing. However, Rygin bust the trap. You have to give Rygin King that.
Okay.
You know, however we create and you know we're the pioneers and thing, but I really Rygin come bust the whole trap thing, and when Rygin bust trap bust. So you have to give Rygin that. You can't take that title from him.
Right.
You see me? Yeah, we create it and everything, but at the end of the day, him come and you don't know Trap King and you don't know. Girl, I said the thing tough and beer thing and the trap boss there so. So you can't take that from him, you know. After him, everybody has a trap there so. When we are doing it, everybody now has a trap. You see me? When Rygin bosses, everybody has a trap, so you have to give him that.
Where uno think, viewers and subscribers, uno think I don't create trap dancehall or Munga, because also at one point when Rygin King did came on the scene, he was saying that him create the trap sound, him bring trap sound to dancehall. Him say him say him a dancehall's baddest thing, but me no know about nothing for your blood now chatting about. Who make me know in the comment section who create the sound, because maybe something I go stir up in a dancehall, because every artist I say them own this. And just the other day we see Vegas and Little John are go at it. Make me know in the comment section. Mad.
Enough artists me see I come out now I take credit for trap dancehall music, but you know member say this is the same trap dancehall beat or sound. Uno kill out this artist for when uno say he might use auto-tune. Uno forgot say Munga Honorable is the first artist we come out and do trap dancehall with him flipping rhymes. You see me I show uno people uno unjust, you know. Remember say a Munga career uno kill out, you know, uno come out and talk about say Munga do auto-tune and Munga do this and Munga do that, and the man career dead, you know. But don't forget in 2006 when Munga come a road come talk about him splitting rhymes. We been flipping rhymes. Uno forgot. You see how much I uno know I come out come take credit, but uno no understand anything. And who is known for trap sound? A T.I. and thing there then credited for trap sound, you know. right? But trap dancehall a Munga thing. Munga created trap dancehall. Munga honorable wanna see there. And me want to come on come tell me otherwise.
Viewers and subscribers, which is different? Which sound is different from Idonia and Munga sound? Which one of them you think more fit the trap sound? I remember Munga honorable back then, you know, at the auto-tune bass that, and it make it sound good. Although we know say TP and over in the America side at the auto-tune final bass. But who make me know in the comment section which one different? The Munga sound or the Idonia sound? Which one sound more like a trap? But you know, they are fusion music. But Mama says she have a point and she say she wants somebody come out come tell her difference and a Munga are the trap dancehall creator in a dancehall. But let me know in the comment section. But I came across this video with Munga honorable. At first me I see the fireman locks at come off him head. And we are seeing him head tap and the head tap peel out. Viewers and subscribers, watch the video, yeah.
Party just start me nice and blood clot me carry me fine fat. Me turn dance and me even can dance. Me have to look for me friend them and ask who give me rum? Who give me rum? Who give me rum? What's the white man? Are you give me?
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so as you can see, Munga honorable, the locks them in them head top fall off. Probably 3 or 4 strand in the head middle. But you can see the back of a whole heap of locks but the head top. And you know the DJ not really wear him locks without a cap or a fitted hat. You know the man in a real turban, him just wear fitted hat. But a long time, alright, first me ever see the DJ at half of him head. But viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think about Munga honorable and him locks peeling out. Chano, the man them really get all in a dancehall. Yo. So dancehall entertainer Shensia has been removed from Mariah Carey's album. Well, her physical copies. I want to know if recently we saw where Cardi B was out selling physical copy album. I thought those days were long gone, but no, it don't look so. Mariah Carey have her physical copies them a sell, but Shenseea and Kelani has been removed from Mariah Carey's album. Me no know what go on there, so me no know if I sign a contract to not be on the physical copy, but she is on the digital copy, but not the physical copy. But viewers and subscribers, listen to this clippings from E-Prime News and they will give you the details of probably why, bar probably not. But listen to this, viewers and subscribers.
Shensia pulled from Mariah Carey's album. The Grammy-winning American R&B artist has removed the Grammy-nominated artists Shensia and Kehlani from the track Sugar Sweet on the physical edition of her Here For It All album. Back in July, Carey treated fans with a sweet surprise when she dropped the collab with both females on the digital album. Speaking on Fame 95 FM, Shensia shared her reaction when her team broke the news of the collaboration.
At first, I thought my team was joking, like maybe it's something that I'm going to do, but it's not really real. And if I'm being honest, that was my first expectation, but I did it nonetheless. And to my surprise, it actually made the album.
Here For It All is Carey's first album in 7 years.
So people were bashing Mariah Carey and was saying that because she don't want them take the highlight or the spotlight from her, or she don't want the smoke or the competition on the song. Because the song I go on good enough, I hear it a couple times on my radio while driving to work more time. So yeah, the song sound good and it sound like a song we have a potential to be a big hit. But the people in the comment section, them a try a piece of iron, them a say a bag of things. I say, yo, Mariah Carey shouldn't do that. But I don't know how I go on there, so probably I just contract wise to sign to not be on the physical copy. But you make me know in the comment section if you don't have any details of what or why Shensia is not on the physical copy. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. So Vybz Kartel did a recent voiced over video on Instagram and he was using Bounty Killer's voice saying that if you are not grateful, you're going to be ungrateful. Or if you're not grateful, you are ungrateful. So he's using the voiced over that went viral. Not really the voiceover, but a whole interview went viral with Bounty Killer on Academics live or academics YouTube, and Bounty Killer was saying some stuff about Alkaline, and you know him I take some shades at Alkaline. So me I wonder, is it that Vybz Kartel use a voice over here for shade Alkaline again? And if it is that, me I say, yo, Vybz Kartel petty a freak. And if I shade him and shade, that don't make no sense. That just look corny also, as what Alkaline say. Use my name to get a viral, it kind of corny. But viewers and subscribers, listen to the video and make me know what you interpret from it. Because recently, Skilly Bang and Vybz Kartel did a remix for New Gear. And remember, Intense and Skilly Bang have a little clash back then. A little one or few songs chewing at each other back then. I remember Alkaline and Vybz Kartel also had that. So is it that both songs are going to be compared to each other soon? Alkaline, Millions, and Skilly Bang New Gear remix with Vybz Kartel? Let me know in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Watch this.
Because you see, when you're ungrateful, you can't be great. Only grateful people can be great. No ungrateful girl and boy can't have great. You're ungrateful. You don't have no greatness about you, so you're ungrateful.
You know Vybz Kartel a craftsman already, the original craftsman. So it can be that when me interpret, but it can be something else. But viewers and subscribers, let me know in the comment section if you think Vybz Kartel a shade Alkaline and the style. Because the dancehall is always there for that, shade and style and the style. But also in the comment section of this video over by Vybz Kartel's Instagram, a whole heap of artists there in the comment section. Bounty Killer, Popcorn, whole heap of artists. And Popcorn, I said something in the comment section too. But if you don't want to check it out, go over Instagram and you see for yourself. But on to the other topic, viewers and subscribers.
World boss, leave a prison could stop me. Me get 35 and me give them up that quick. Them have to wonder if I hope ya me practice. God me say yo watch you hope ya me practice.
So me see that video here with Spice I promote a new song. And me nah lie, me nah feel it. Me don't know why, but me just nah feel it. But them say music is subjective to each and every one. So I might not be feeling it, but somebody else might be feeling it. But viewers and subscribers, me I play it for Uno, so Uno tell me what Uno think if Uno I feel it. It want sound slight African-ish because some of the wordings them was she using in a song. But listen to this, viewers and subscribers.
The man is my man, baby. I got one question. Answer. Who the fuck is Amanda?
But wait, this no one sound like Lola Dal, the girl from Guyana. Even though the accent is Jamaican, but the lyrics, composure and everything, it want sound like Lola Dal. Viewers and subscribers, tell me if you don't think when me I say right or me I reach. Make me know in the comment section. So, Sean Paul was seen on Kaisenat's stream and he was asking Sean Paul his favorite dancehall artist or his favorite Jamaican artist, and Sean Paul named the likes of Busy Signal, Vybz Kartel, Skilly Bang and also Skeng. And viewers and subscribers, more want to listen and let me know what you think in the comment section. It's good to see what Jamaican artists them are do a lot of stuff like this. The other day we saw where Vybz Kartel was on Kaisenat's live also, and now we are see Sean Paul. It's good for see this. Listen to this and watch this, viewers and subscribers.
Who's your favorite Jamaican artist?
Oh man.
Of all time.
Oh man. So much big artists.
So many legends. That's what
right now I have to say big up Busy Signal. He's one that right now that's really dope. I think a lot of people overlook that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No doubt Vybz Kartel is huge.
Vibes.
Big up Skilly Bang as well.
When young artists in Jamaica going crazy. Skilly Bang OD.
Skeng to me,
Skeng is OD.
Skeng, he ain't that young in the game. He's been around for a couple years, but for me, Skeng give you the crazy tone of voice.
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts and let me know what you think about Sean Paul's favorite dancehall artist. Him not call a lot of artists name, but Uno know that's just his opinion and his favorite dancehall artist. But let me know what you think in the comment section. But Uno know it go already. We're about to end the vlog right here, so it was nice chatting with you guys. And hope you remember to like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. You know it go. I'm out thing. I'm out. Peace.